do I interpret linear fit parameters in Chemvue? This data set looks like a linear fit may be appropriate. So if you open the curve fits menu and apply a linear fit, you see that the prediction for linear fit, the model seems to fit the data pretty well. If we look in the parameters, we see the first thing, that's a line equation y equals mx plus b, followed by the slope, which is the rate of change in the y value per unit x. So the temperature is changing by 0.405 degrees Celsius per second. That's a positive value, which means there's an increase. And if there was no change in temperature over time, then that would be 0 or a flat line. And if there was a decrease, we would see the line going down and the m or slope being negative. B is the y-intercept, or where that predicted straight line intersects the y-axis when x equals 0. And in this data set, that's at 30.2 degrees Celsius. R is the correlation between temperature and time, and you want that to be as close to positive or negative 1 as possible. The closer to positive or negative 1, the better the linear fit. And the closer you are to 0, the worse the fit. If it's 0, in fact, there is no relationship between the y and x values. RMSE is root mean square error, and you want that to be closer to 0. Now you can improve that R value. It's pretty good at 0.994, but if you want to get that even closer to 1, you could ignore some of the data points in the set. You can't delete them, but you can select, avoid putting them in the analysis by using the select tool. So I want just the most linear data points. And you can see that that changes the R value to 0.998.